What's some of our coolest solves for challenging problems?
Some of my favorite ones involve Operations Hub just as it was becoming a thing. So just as we were getting access to coded workflows, which really changed things up for us and the ability to really automate things for customer portals that weren't previously possible. If you spent any time in the HubSpot ecosystem, you'll know that recurring revenue reporting is atrociously bad. Even at Sales Enterprise, where you can see some recurring revenue on basically on a report, it's not data that you can really do anything with. It's not something that is particularly valuable to anyone. We had a client that had large-scale contracts that needed to be renewed, needed to be really nurtured to renew, and they needed to measure churn. They needed to measure new recurring revenue. They needed to measure changes in subscriptions. And using Ops Hub Pro in combination with several deal pipelines that we would basically split existing deals into allowed us to do really deep analysis on their churn rates, where their new customers were coming from, how their line items on their contracts were changing over time. And we were able to do that historically. So not just going forward, we were able to process all their historical information out and end up with something that really showed when the revenue started, when it went up, when it went down, when they entered a sort of risk of churning type status, when they were recovered through a win back. It was really a spectacularly cool solution at the time. There's probably better ways to do it now, but at the time there wasn't ways to do it, and we found a way.